Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're drawing this adorable little frog, step by step. Perfect for beginners and kids. Watch this quick time-lapse of the final result. Grab your pencil. Let's hop right in. Step 1. Draw a sideways upside-down 3. Step 2. Then draw 4 circles for the frog's eyes. Step 3. Add some cheeks and a smile. Step 4. Draw a body down but leave some spaces. Step 5. Add the front legs. Step 6. Then draw the 2 webbed feet. Step 7. Draw the start of back legs. Step 8. Finish the feet and draw a round line on the tummy. Add pupils.